gonna be transforming the 5.3. This is my OBS. We had an issue with it, caught on fire. Not a fire, but something very small. Just it overheated these wires. So we're gonna have to take it back to Mad Machinery. We're gonna rewire everything. Right here we have the 5.3s. Low miles on both. And basically, just watch the transformation. This is the beginning of this video. Most of it's gonna be a time lapse. But yeah, nothing's wrong with them. Just gonna make them clean, a very nice detail. Gonna pop out the heads, put new gaskets, just clean it out overall, and let's get into it. Took out all the accessories. You can see all the gunk it has from been sitting in that yard. It does. Right now we're gonna degrease it all, then we're gonna power wash it. Degreaser I use is Purple Power. You can find it at AutoZone. Right now we're letting this soak in. We got the power wash right there. This thing's gonna be a full confirmation. How do you say it? Transformation, excuse me. I'm gonna pull the heads out, clean them, and yeah, let's get it. Also, what you can do, get the Purple Power, the little power washer thing. You put like a tad bit of soap. You mix them. You put a little soap, not a lot. So about that much, hold on, that much. And with the water, this, and the degreaser, it's gonna be like a good combination. That's what I do. You don't have to do it. Some people might agree, some people might not. You'll see the transformation, and we're gonna put some of this in here, and we'll do a time lapse. Let's get it. So guys, you can see it's just like a really good cleaning. You can see it's doing its job. And now we're gonna hit it with another layer. Then we'll drain all the water out, etc. This is a little satisfying, cool video for y'all. And let's get some cinematic. So guys, it's a mess. For now, I'm just gonna load everything on the pallet, then we're gonna throw it in the trailer for trash. But it's coming along good. So I could see, I'm gonna take the spark plugs out. One broke, or two broke actually, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Badass content coming, guys. Just waiting for my truck to be out the shop. But this is really easy. All you need is like simple tools, a drill, just simple stuff like that. And right now we're gonna take out these 5 bolts and let's get it. God damn, boy. So guys, we got one head off. You can see it's really dirty with all the oil. We're now gonna get all the water out. We're gonna clean it. To clean it, we're gonna use these. Work pretty good. I'm just gonna throw some more degreaser. We're gonna rotate this so the things can come out, get all the water out, make sure everything's nice and dry. Then we're gonna clean the heads, degrease them again, and basically make it look nice and shiny. And let's get into it. Simple hand tools that you can use at home, guys. It's really not that hard. But took these bolts out. All we gotta take out are these and the middle ones, and we'll take the head off. So guys, we just cleaned up the motor. Right now we're gonna paint it. Still gotta clean up all this, make it nice and dry, get all the extra grime out of it. We're gonna paint it red, the head silver. Then yeah, it's gonna be a nice transformation. Remember, 50 bucks a spot, you get a t-shirt, and yeah. See, I put the degreaser. The heads are really gunky. This is a before. Let's go to the other one. I can see all the buildup, like what's it called? Just the wear and tear, the age of the motor, all that black gunk. We're gonna take it off right now and watch this transformation. You can see, we still haven't finished cleaning, but you can see how like shinier they are. But like I said, guys, this is a little small giveaway for y'all. You buy a shirt, get you an entry to win this motor. 5.3 low miles. And yeah, we're gonna add some headers. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Still gotta put the heads back on. We got the brand new gaskets for y'all, new bolts. And yeah, let's get it. You can do an orange style, guys. Right now we're about to put the gasket in the heads. See, it's nice and clean. The heads are clean. And yeah, see, guys, some of y'all will see the transformation. Some of you are gonna think that it's just a cleanup, but inside out clean. Brand new gaskets. I'm working all day. Heads look brand new. We cleaned them all up. Gave them a little spray. And right now we're gonna put the gaskets and the heads back on. So guys, right now we're putting the heads back on, looking nice and clean. And we're now gonna put the bolts back in, and yeah. Where's the wrench?
Hmm?
Now we torque it to spec. That's it. This is the transformation. Remember, message me on Instagram for your entry. 50 bucks a t-shirt. A spot gets you a shirt, a Elite Performance shirt. I'm only gonna do a couple spots, not that many, probably about 60 or so. If you want to show support, 5.3, completely stock. I'm out of headers. Got the manifold that's sitting in the greaser. I'm gonna put it back on. We're gonna get the throttle body ported. There it goes, guys. 50 bucks. Zora Cash App. Let me know. Like I said, guys, you get shirt, but I think it's clean, bro. I've been working on it for literally for about 7 hours for you guys. But like, comment, subscribe. Shit, I might as well put it in my orange truck. Matches it. But yeah, guys, let's get it. Shout out to everybody who watches my videos. My bad I haven't posted. Y'all be safe.